Immerse yourself in the profound insights offered by Father Chuck Belmonte as he delves into daily reflections on various gospel passages from the Bible.
December the 30th, Monday. Will my actions bring about my future reward? The Lord says, unless your justice exceeds that of the scribes and Pharisees, you will not enter the kingdom of heaven. How can justice exceed unless compassion rises above judgment? What could be more just or worthy than a creature created in the image and likeness of God, imitating the Creator who, through the remission of sins, brings about the reparation and sanctification of believers? The guilty man is restored to innocence with God's strict vengeance removed and all punishment ceases. Thus, the end of wickedness becomes the beginning of virtue. Can anything be more just than this? This is how Christian justice surpasses that of the scribes and Pharisees, not by cancelling the law, but by rejecting earthly wisdom. This is why, when giving his disciples guidance on fasting, the Lord said, whenever you fast, do not look sad like the hypocrites. They disfigure their faces to appear as if they are fasting. Truly, I say to you, they have received their reward. What reward is this, if not human praise? Such desire often masquerades as justice, for having a false reputation brings pleasure when there is no concern for conscience. Consequently, when injustice is concealed, a man enjoys a misleading reputation. For the person who loves God, it is sufficient to please the one he loves. There is no greater reward than loving God, for love originates from God, as God is love. God so fulfills the good and chaste soul that it wishes to find delight in nothing else. The Lord's words ring true. Where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. What is a man's treasure but the accumulation of profits and the fruits of his labor? Just as a man sows, so shall he reap, and each man's gain corresponds to his toil. Where he finds delight and enjoyment, there the desire of his heart is anchored. There are many kinds of wealth and various reasons for rejoicing. Each person's treasure is what he desires. If it is rooted in earthly ambitions, it leaves men not blessed but wretched. However, those who find joy in the eternal and heavenly, rather than the earthly and perishable, possess an incorruptible hidden treasure. Through these, with God's grace, even earthly possessions can be transformed into heavenly blessings. Many people utilize wealth wisely by sharing what is superfluous to support the poor. They are amassing imperishable riches, ensuring that what they have discreetly given will not be lost. They have rightly placed their riches where their heart is. It is truly blessed to work towards increasing such riches rather than fearing their loss. From a sermon of Saint Leo the Great, Pope.
I would be delighted to extend an invitation to you once again tomorrow for another insightful reflection on the gospel by Father Belmonte.